It's so big pork, everyone. Here is pork. Wow, it's so big. So today we will fry this pork, everyone, to eat with our vegetable. Can you see our vegetable, everyone? And also chili salt too. So now it's the time to fry pork, everyone. But everyone, if you think my video have necessary for you and can help you guys to cook, so please help me to subscribe my channel to see more video about me and the yummy cooking like this. So it is the time to fry, everyone. Let me fry. So now we clean it. This is salt, everyone. We add salt on our pork like this for easy to cook, and also it reduces the dirty of the pork too. Then we add oil on it. So now everyone, we make chili sauce to eat with our pork. Here is some ingredient of it, mean chili, red onion, tamarind, and also garlic too. So start to make this, all of this, everyone. Fish sauce, sugar palm, some cheese. Okay. Then we merge it. Look like so yummy. It's already cooked, everyone, so we can eat. It's so good. Mm. Mm. It's really yummy. Mm. 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 Everyone, so now I'm enough of my eating and I think it is time to say goodbye. But everyone, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about my personality, especially a yummy food like this to eat and the lifestyle in countryside. Now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for support me by subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.